What's up my YouTube gang, I'm your man Ummar Sheikh. Welcome back to my Windows 11 series, and today I will show you another method at how you can make your Windows 11 lighter, faster, more optimized and more easily friendly to use. That saves your more RAM and CPU speed. So the thing is that I'm going to represent to you is the debloating process. I know you heard this word before, debloating. So how you can perform Windows debloating? There are many steps and methods which I will show you later. So before that, I want you to explain the what is debloating. So what is Windows debloating? Many default programs that are pre-packed with Windows 10 or 11 may be slowing down your computer and using a good amount of your system resources, you can say. I guess you don't want that. That is why I am here in this video. So in this video I will show you three methods step by step that how to debloat Windows 10 or 11. Both having the same procedures and increase the responsiveness, privacy and performance, speed, lighten your PC. All of these kind of stuff will be performed with after this debloating process. So what is the debloating process? How you can do this? There are three methods that I am going to show you. So let's jump into it. So I have typed all of the commands. So when I press the enter button here and type another command, this is the last command which runs the loading process. Now here you can see after pressing enter, the loading process start working. It takes a little bit time. Okay, here you can see backup request is waiting. Kit backup the operation complete successfully. It means that they have done their work. So it takes a little bit time. After completing this, I will show you the screen. Now it shows the GUI, graphic user interface, in which you have to choose that what options suitable for you or not. Like essential tweaks, you can recreate essential tweaks if you want. You can create alter context menu. You have to disable all the background apps. It is very essential, and that is the main purpose of our debloating, to optimize, to lighter and to free your space. This is the main purpose of debloating. You have to disable Cortana like this. Now here you can see my Cortana is disabling. So I like dark mode. You can also you can use basic visual effects or a painless like this. Launch system to disable Windows update. Yes, I want to disable Windows update. So it is on up to you that what features and what functions you need or not. So I may suggest you, whenever and wherever it is written disable or uninstall, you have to click on those tabs. You have to uninstall or disable straight away, because that is the main purpose of our debloating, to free up your computer, to take less memory and less CPU. That is why we use debloating process. Uninstall OneDrive, uninstall bloatware, uninstall Edge, edit diskip. No, you don't want to edit diskip. Disable Windows Defender if you want. Enable Windows Defender. Install Google Chrome. So that is overall about our Windows debloating. When this process is completed, type the exit command and hit the enter. It will exit your shell command prompt. So this is the one process. Second process is that you have to straight away copy that command. I will paste the command in the description and paste it on PowerShell again run as administrator. Yes, here. Now paste it that command. It will also show you the GUI, graphic user interface, to select the options if you that you want to uninstall or remove. So after completing this will show you in front of your screen. Remove all bloatware. You can remove all the bloatware. I have already done this. That is why I am not doing again and again. You have to remove all bloatware, custom bloatware. Don't do this kind of revert DC changes. You have to disable Cortana. You have to disable Edge PDF. You have to enable dark theme if you want. You have to uninstall the OneDrive. You have to disable the elementary. You have to install that .NET framework. you have to unpin all the tiles from the task start menu. Now when I press the unpin tiles from the start menu, it is doing it up here. It is unpinning all the files. Similarly, you have to remove all the broadway keys, history keys. I've already done this, that is why I'm not doing again and again. It will take a little bit time. Okay, while the script is running, I will show you another third process which is very good. I must say that it has too many options. This software, Windows 11 Debloater, you can find this software easily on the internet. Now how to use this? It has tons of options. You have to disable Cortana here, you have to uninstall OneDrive here, you have to you have to Windows update setting. You can do this Windows update setting here. You can disable actions. I am telling you that you have to straight away click on those commands or those options that represents the uninstall or disable option, like disable the background apps, stop edging app. I'm already done this, that is why I'm not doing this. Now next run to, okay, I can do I'm doing for you, disable background apps. Here you can see our script is, this is our main script. You can type run script. Now our script is running. It is disabling background apps. Operation completed. Now goes to next tab, third party. You can do not install, do not, press the do not, and then similarly press the do not. You can check according to your own need, that what you need or what you don't need. Similarly goes to, so this is another thing like Cortana. Similarly Xbox. So it is mentioned in the beneath that click the square button to read edit the option. Gray button means you select nothing. So you have to select that one if you want. This is none. This is leave alone. So it is according to you that what you want and what you don't want. Similarly with privacy, you have to disable discount tag. You have to minimum disable error reporting. You have feedback. You can see. Okay, I will press this one. So always press this one. UI interface. There are tons of options here. OneDrive, uninstall OneDrive. So there are tons of options. Good, then this is for about system apps. This is for our start menu. This is UWP apps. Disable Cortana. Disable Teams auto start. I can do this. I am doing this. Game, disable game. I don't want this. Disable GPU scheduling. If you are a gamer, then you don't do this. Similar Defender and security. You can check your own options according to your own. Similarly context menus, then others and outputs. So this is what this software is doing. This is the complete package of debloating the Windows 11. I am showing you the three processes here in this video. So not other YouTubers is doing this. So that is why I represent you three options. First is your running script, how you can run the script. I will show you here. This is the script that will show the second option is just one command that will show the GUI, and third option is this software. Now it's up to you that what you want and what you don't want. I may suggest you first run this script, then run that one, and at the end run this software, because it is because this script is very authentic, because it runs directly through the command prompt. So this is about our Windows 11 debloating process, that how you can debloat your Windows 11 or 10 to free up your space, to more optimize, to lighter your Windows 11, to cut off your background apps that will take more memory and CPUs. So this is all about our today's video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Thank you.